Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add text to video in Premiere Pro. First, open your project and locate the Type tool, which looks like a capital T, in your toolbar. Next, simply click anywhere on your program monitor to instantly create a new text layer. You can then type your desired words directly into this new text box. Finally, drag the ends of your text layer on the timeline to set its exact duration. Now let's make your text look great. Head over to the Essential Graphics panel, usually on the right side of your screen. Here, you can easily change the font to one of hundreds of options, adjust its size, and pick any color you like. You can also precisely position your text and even rotate it for a dynamic look. Adding a subtle stroke or shadow can significantly improve readability. To bring your text to life, we'll use animation. In the Effect Controls panel, you can set keyframes for properties like position, scale, and opacity. For example, create 2 keyframes for opacity to make your text smoothly fade in or out. You can also animate its position to have it slide gracefully onto the screen from the left or right, adding a professional touch. For the final touches, ensure your text is perfectly placed. Use the alignment tools in the Essential Graphics panel to center it or place it in a specific corner. Always double-check that your text is easy to read and doesn't cover any crucial parts of your video. Play through your entire sequence to confirm the timing and overall look are exactly as you intended before exporting your finished project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.